What's up, y'all? Welcome to the garage. I'm Adrian. I got my roommate and our other friend over there. We got his 240, my 240, and back over here we got the Q60. We're gonna do a blow valve install today. I know there's only one video on YouTube, I guess the C Motorsports video. Today we're gonna be tackling that and hopefully having a lot of fun. All right, y'all, I have the Q60 back here. I'm about to get all the tools, all the parts, and I'm gonna start taking it apart so I can install the blowout valves. All right, so we're gonna start taking off the little intercoolers. After we take the intercoolers off, we can get to the big vacuum hoses. And then we can put in the blowout valves, put it all back together, and it should be running. I have no room for this one. This should be able to come out. Yeah. Oh, please work. Hey, it did work. Should be able to lift this. I feel like I'm stuck on something, but I just gotta get the bottom side of it. Oh. Not the right one either. You can hit the...
Yeah, got it.
Is my phone at 15?
Not yet.
This is definitely not fun at all.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do it myself.
What is this stuck on? Oh, jeez. What dropped?
One of the washers, or the...
Oh.
Got it.
Alright, so we've taken the original hose off. We got new Z1 hose with the blowout valve on it. Next step is to pop this in and then tighten the clamps. Wow, absolutely like no room to do this. Literally.
Beer.
Oh, that hurts. Watch out.
Oh yeah.
You can stop recording.
Go.
So we're gonna take the intercooler, we unplugged everything around it, and I'm just gonna lift it upwards. now we have all this room to work with. I have the red hose pretty firm on there. Now I can tighten it with absolutely no room to work with. Wow. So on this side, on the passenger or driver side, sorry, we put the intercooler back on. We tightened the clamp hoses. We plugged everything on. My friend, he's got the JB4, so we plugged that back on. Got it tightened here. So now we're going to go back to the passenger side and do that side. Kind of already undid a few things. Now I'm going to undo the whole thing. So I did the top one. As you guys can see, it's all plugged up. I didn't really record. It's just a pain in the ass to do that top one, or honestly like both of them. I got as best footage as I could get, but now we just gotta hook up the vacuum hoses and then he can start it up. So we have both of the blow-up valves installed. Now we're working on the vacuum hose behind the intake manifold. Once we get that on, plug the hoses up, and we should be able to start it. All right, y'all, I finished plugging everything back on. The vacuum hoses are connected. As you can see, he's got one and the second blow valve, HKS SSQVs. Go ahead and turn it on. Sounds fantastic. Go ahead and rev it up. Hell yeah.